Rani of Class 8th is here as the host of today's Digital Assembly, and the topic of our today's Digital Assembly is the National Science Day. Every year in India, 28th of February is marked as the National Science Day for the Great Raman Effect. On 28th of February 1928, a greatest Indian physicist C.V. Raman announced his novel discovery on the scattering of light, which came to be known as the Raman effect. This discovery was very important and that has earned a Nobel Prize in 1930. Later on in 1986, the National Community for Science and Technology requested the government to announce this day as the National Science Day. So, to acknowledge you more about this special day, we have prepared some different activities. So, watch the video fully. Hope for your liking. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज मैं कक्षा 8 की छात्रा अरीबा अंसारी आपके सामने राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस पर हिंदी निबंध प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। देश में सन 1986 से प्रति वर्ष 28 फरवरी को राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस नेशनल साइंस डे मनाया जाता है। प्रोफेसर सीवी रमन ने 1928 में कोलकाता में इस दिन एक उत्कृष्ट वैज्ञानिक खोज की थी जिसे रमन प्रभाव के रूप में जाना जाता है। रमन की यह खोज 28 फरवरी 1930 में प्रकाश में आई थी। इस कारण 28 फरवरी को राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस कार्य के लिए उन्हें नोबेल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित भी किया गया था। इस दिवस का मूल उद्देश्य विद्यार्थियों को विज्ञान के प्रति प्रकाशित करना, प्रेरित करना तथा विज्ञान एवं वैज्ञानिक उपलब्धियों में उन्हें सजग बनाना है।
Good morning all of you. Myself Akshay Khurana is standing before you to deliver an article on the topic National Science Day. The National Science Day is celebrated on 28th Feb every year. This day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by the great Indian person Sir C.V. Raman. He was awarded by the Nobel Prize in 1930 for the same. On the day of National Science Day, many activities such as debate competitions, science exhibition, quiz competition are held in schools, colleges, academic institutes, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. Myself Aradhya Agarwal of class 8. My topic is on kidney. The kidney are two bean-shaped organs, each other the size of the fist. They are located just below the rib cage, each side of our spine. Healthy kidney filter about a half cup of blood every minute, removing waste and extra water to make urine. The urine flows from the kidney to the bladder through two thin tubes of muscles called uterus, each side of a bladder. A bladder stores urine. A kidney removes extra waste and all other fluids of our body. Our body also removes acid that is produced by the cells of our body and maintain healthy balance of salt, water and minerals.
Good morning, I am all present here. Today myself Harsh Goyal of class 8th B to speak about this model made by me for the National Science Day. The healthy kidney filters about the half cup of water every minute, removing the waste and the extra water to make urine. The urine flows through the kidney to the bladder through the thin tubes of muscle called ureters on each side of the bladder. Thank you.
Myself Khushman Kaur of class 8. My topic is National Science Day. Fact number first. Venus is the only planet to spin clockwise. Fact number second. Killer whales are actually dolphins. Fact number third. It takes 8 minutes 19 seconds for light to travel from the earth to the sun. Fact number fourth. The earth is a gauge magnet. Fact number fifth. In 2.3 billion years, it will be too hot for life to exist on the earth. Fact number sixth. 20% of oxygen is produced by Amazon rainforest. Fact number 7. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 cm taller during the summer. Fact number 8. Grasshoppers have ears in their bellies. Thank you.
The important thing in science is not so much to obtain new facts as to discover the new ways of thinking about them. Wishing you all a very happy Science Day.